Hi there. This lesson is about using the simple past tense in information questions. What did you do last weekend? Where did you go? When did you get home? Look at the information questions in the past tense. What did you do last weekend? Where did you go? When did you get home? We use WH question words and did in most simple past tense information questions. For example, what did you eat? Where did you eat? When did you eat? The form is the same for all subjects, singular and plural, and we use the base form of the verb. For example, what did you do? What did he want? What did she eat? What did they cook? But when who is the subject, we don't use did. We use the past tense form. For example, who ate the cookies? Not. Who went to the party? Not.